Honda is stepping into 2026 with innovation, style, and breakthrough technology.
Today, we're looking at 5 upcoming Honda cars that will reshape the future.
These models bring fresh design, improved performance, and more electrification.
Number 5. The Honda Civic 2026 DEV. Sleeker body, smarter tech, and a more efficient powertrain.
The interior comes with a refined digital cockpit and advanced safety upgrades.
Expect better handling and a more responsive drive.
Number 4, the 2026 Honda CR-V EV. It's red. Honda's next big step into electric SUVs.
With fast charging and long range, it's built for modern families.
Expect a quiet ride and advanced driver assist features.
3. The Honda Accord Hybrid 2026. Stronger performance and improved fuel economy.
A premium interior focused on comfort and technology.
Perfect balance between comfort and hybrid efficiency.
Number 2, the Honda Prologue 2026. A powerful electric SUV built for long trips.
Number 1. Honda's electric sports concept, EV. A bold leap into future performance.
Honda is ready for a thrilling future. Which 2026 model are you most excited for?